Good morning, students. Today I will discuss chapter number 2, Structure of Atom, and the topic is Electromagnetic Spectrum. What do you mean by electromagnetic spectrum? Means when the electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiation means when electrically charged particles move under acceleration. Then alternating electrical and magnetic fields are generated and transmitted in the form of waves. These waves is called as electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. These are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength and decreasing order of frequency. So the complete spectrum is obtained. This spectrum is called as electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum are of several kinds which differ from one another in wavelength or frequency. These spectrum are arranged in the increasing order of wavelength but decreasing order of frequency. How it is learned? Cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, infrared rays, microwave rays, radio wave rays. These are the increasing order of wavelength but decreasing order of frequency. It is learned in simple manner. C, G, X, UV, I, M, R. Its short form. CGX, UV, IMR. It's a short form. Visible light, this light, is a small portion of electromagnetic radiation. These waves traveling through a space means these waves don't require any medium for their propagation and it can easily move in vacuum. Two components of electromagnetic spectrum are there. First is electric field, second is magnetic field. The oscillating electric and magnetic field generated by oscillating the charged particles which are perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation of the waves. Now, in order to improve the Rutherford atomic model, two new concepts play an important role. First is the wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. Now the next topic is the first point, wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. How the electromagnetic radiation behaves like a wave. This is a wave. What do you mean by wave? Wave is the disturbance that originate from some vibrating source and travel outwards as a continuous sequence of alternating crust trough in this sequence. This is called as wave. This is the wave. This point is crust, second is trough. This is one wave. After that, second wave, crust, trough. Completed second wave. Third wave, and like this. These waves originate from the center of disturbance and propagate in the form of up and down movement. The point of maximum upward displacement, this is called as crust, and the point of maximum downward displacement, this is called as trough. Now, the wave nature of electromagnetic radiations means electromagnetic wave theory was given by James Clerk Maxwell in 1870. He gave an explanation about the interaction between the charged bodies and the behavior of electrical and magnetic field on macroscopic level. Now, what are the characteristics of a wave? First characteristics, wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda, this sign. It is the distance between the two adjacent crusts or trough, like this. Two crust and trough. This is shown by lambda. This is also shown by lambda. Means this is a wavelength. Means distance traveled between the two adjacent crust and two adjacent trough. It has the unit of length like meter, centimeter. It is also shown by angstrom. Means 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter or 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Now next is frequency. Frequency is denoted by mu. Means number of waves that pass through a given point in 1 second. How many total waves that are passed in 1 second? Its unit is hertz. Its symbol is Hz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. It means a cycle is completed when a wave consisting of crust and trough, means this cycle starting from this and this. Here one cycle is complete. Next second cycle is complete. In this manner. Now the third characteristic is velocity. It is denoted by c. It means the distance traveled by a wave in 1 second. It is just like a speed of light. Means 3 multiply 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Its unit is meter per second. Its symbol is C. In vacuum, all types of electromagnetic radiations are traveled with same speed. Means that is 3 multiply 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Now next characteristics is wavelength. It is denoted by mu bar. Means the total number of wavelength per unit length. The number of wavelength per unit length is called as mu number. Means it is also see that mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Means it is the reciprocal of wavelength. Its unit is also the reciprocal of wavelength unit. Means meter per second. This one, meter per second. So mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Means reciprocal of wavelength is also called as wave number, or the number of wavelength per unit length is called as wave number. So all these are the characteristics of a wave. Thank you, students.